doing an unboxing today. I honestly don't really know what is in it. By the way, hello, my name is Rebecca. I am an artist. I use this channel to express myself creatively through makeup, and I also do unboxing because I get a lot of subscription boxes. I recently signed up for Kinder Box, which seems to be more up my alley. I'm trying not to have too high of expectations right now, but I really like sustainability, eco-friendly products, supporting small independent businesses, which I think they get a lot of their products from them. But, you know, I'm trying to go in without having too high of expectations. So the reason why I really don't know what's coming in here is because while it is from Kinder Box, it is a very nondescript package. Maybe that's how they send their boxes. I don't know. Either way, I don't care. I don't need like a big fancy box. I just don't know. But the subscription boxes that I get always have the name of the box all over it. It's very decorated. So we'll see. Okay. So it's a box in a box. And whatever this is, let's just do that first. So this is a cute little makeup bag. What's in you? Room USA made. Nice. Okay, what is this? It's a Rejuvenating Face Oil. 8-in-1 Rejuvenating Facial Oil by Nourish. Okay, Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Well, that's cool. Ayurvedic, day and night. Okay, all right. Face oil, that's what that is. So now for the actual box. I assume that they will come like this from now on, and the only reason why I got that box is because I got this little bonus gift because I just signed up. All right, Kinder Box, let's do it. I love the simplistic packaging and design. I love it. I love this. It looks natural and recycled and all that, you know. All right, Kinder Beauty. And the inside of the box says, a kinder world is a more beautiful world. Absolutely. What did we get in here? This stuff. Okay, Dirty Lamb brand Ultra Night Serum. Glow, what is this? Glow Makeup Remover. I probably won't be using that. Oh, it's GLOV. GLOV Makeup Remover. Yeah, I probably won't use this because I don't really like to rub things on my face. Like when I dry my face, I just pat it. Yeah, so that might be a gift for my friend. Okay, so Sensuals Grapefruit Turmeric Hand Repair Cream. Yes, I need that so badly. It's winter, I'm washing my hands. I've been washing my hands excessively since the beginning of the pandemic. And with it being winter, it's just extra harsh on my hands right now. So yay, fucking yes. I need some hand cream. Fleur and B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. I'll try that. And then Inika Organic Lip Pencil. All right, let's see. It's probably the same color that's on here, which is this. It looks like a neon pink, but we'll see. So this is like that makeup eraser, you know, that makeup eraser. I assume it's the same kind of microfiber cloth. This is just a glove. It's like if the makeup eraser were a glove and probably made with much better materials. Also the bag, that's nice. The bag is biodegradable. It's made of starch and it will disappear in 3 weeks. I love that. It's vegan and cruelty free, which I did expect from everything that's in this box. Okay, let's look at this lip pencil. It's in the color Dusty Rose. Man, I'm just not even looking at words before I say them right now. Okay, organic lip pencil. Oh yeah, so this doesn't really look at all like what was on that info sheet. Dusty Rose, let's see if we can. Okay, perfect, Dusty Rose. I'll try it, definitely. I will probably get a lot of use out of this. I did a neutral lip today, so wish I would have opened this box first. Does it say anything about the packaging? It's made in the UK. No? Maybe? So I think it's Australian. It is certified organic from probably Australia. Alcohol free. Do lip liners typically have alcohol? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I don't know anything about the packaging, but I'm assuming you can recycle it. All right, the eye cream. All these boxes feel so nice. Ooh. Do you naturally? Yes, trying. Okay, anti-aging firming, made in the USA. Cruelty-free natural ingredients, and they donate 1% to charity. That is awesome. I love that. 87% recyclable. The paper items and the jar. So maybe not the lid. It's vegan, no GMOs. let's take a look at you. Oh, the bottom opens easier than the top, so I'm just going with that. I am such a sucker for packaging. $10 off coupon thing here. You just scan that and you get, what? Wait a second. Okay, so they sell these at Rite Aid. You can buy Fleur de Bee things from Rite Aid. You know, that's fine. I really am trying not to buy anything that can be found at like the big box stores, pharmacies. Like if I can get it from Target or Sephora, Ulta, Rite Aid, Walgreens, I would rather find companies that are still growing. I want to support growing companies. So I will absolutely try this. I probably will not purchase it after I'm empty because I would rather find a smaller brand to support who needs the help. This did not come in a box. Dirty Lame Ultra Night Serum. Vegan, natural, unisex, but aren't they all? It will definitely looks more like an oil than a serum. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and we'll just test it out really fast. I don't like my serums to be too oily. Oh yeah, okay, so it's definitely oily. It smells really good. I don't know why they didn't market that as a face oil because I think it's definitely more of an oil than a serum. Smells pretty light, pretty neutral. It's lavender. Let me smell this sucker actually. This smells the same. It smells like lavender. Is that on my nose? I thought I got it on my nose. I might as well open this and smell it too. Why not? It'd be easier to open from the bottom too. I don't know. It is a struggle with me in boxes. Can you just like come out? Is that possible? I just completely destroyed the box. Oh, nice. So, oh, interesting. I'm glad I opened this. Look, watch. You don't even have to touch it. That's rad as hell, but you could. Why are you chunky? Hemp seed? I guess that's why. It's real chunky. I'm gonna shake it. Okay, so this was made December of 2019. Okay, I just wanna see if it gets less chunky if I shake it, but it's probably that hemp seed. Ooh, you are super chunk. Okay, I'm gonna just put it right on top of that serum. I do like the smell of this. This smells great to me. I know we all don't like the same scents. Ooh, oh. I'll definitely be using this just for the scent alone. Ooh, yes. Okay, yeah, I'm a fan. Cool, Vedic Elixir. So if you're not familiar with Ayurveda, there are, what is it? I can't remember actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I have a friend who is really into Ayurvedic stuff. She has her own business here in town and I watch her stories and posts and she knows all about it. I don't know anything about it really. Made in India, antioxidants, heals dry damaged skin, reduces visible signs of aging. Cool, yes, I will use that. This is just making me think of Amy Loves Makeup because she talked about how her son goes bananas when he sees boxes that have this packaging, so she has to open them like where he can't find it. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad that they're using this material to put in the box because it's recyclable, but it does get everywhere. But I'm not gonna complain about it, it's fine. So the last thing, the hand repair cream. Okay, shea butter, pamplemousse, grapefruit, curcuma, just in case we didn't know, it's turmeric, pamplemousse, and curcuma. It's Canadian, which for whatever reason brings me joy. Canada just seems like such a sweet place compared to where we are. Well, by we, I mean we Americans, me. Shea butter, cocoa butter, organic aloe, hydrates hands. Okay, I do have a band-aid on my finger, but I'm gonna try to use this anyway because I for real need it. I'm excited. I really need hand cream. I've got some hand lotion. It's just it feels like kind of like a cheapo kind of hand lotion. No offense to Sponge Gel because I really do like their soap sponges, shower sponges, whatever. But their lotion just doesn't really do the job. Okay, well, not a huge fan of the scent, but that's not really the point. If it makes my hands feel amazing, I'll use it. Didn't put enough on my hands. Okay, so what does it say? So vegan, cruelty-free, recycled or recyclable, probably recyclable, hopefully recycled material also, but I don't really know, it doesn't say. I'm just trying to avoid my damn pinky. I cut myself on an icicle. Like, what? I can't believe I did that. I was trying to clear up the icicles outside of my back door. I was using a broom to get rid of the really big ones, and they were just some tiny ones, and I thought I could brush those away like an idiot, and one of them just sliced my finger open. Winter is dangerous. Feels fine, a little bit on the greasy side. Yeah, I won't really know my opinion yet. I need to try it a few times. It's slightly greasy. Let's see. No, it's not as greasy as some other hand repair creams that I've tried before. But that's it. That's the Kinder box. I can't remember how often these things come. So maybe quarterly, maybe monthly. I can't remember. But that's the most recent Kinder box. You know what? I'm just going to open this. My friend won't mind. I just opened the corner. Okay, so let's just take a peek. I'm not going to put it on my hand or anything. I just want to touch it. I really want the opinion of James Welsh about this. If he's like, yeah, it's fine to use, and I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna use it. I don't do anything he says not to do. He is my skincare guru. If you haven't looked at James Welsh's, he's on Instagram. But anyway, so YouTube videos, Instagram, he's on Twitter. He's like, to me, the skincare guru. So look him up if you're interested in skincare. But anyway, so it is so bright. Can you tell the texture there? There we go. Okay, now you can see it a little bit. I just had to cover my face. Okay, there is the texture of the sponge. That's not a sponge, the makeup wipe. Makeup removing glove. That's everything in the box. Yay. All right, I can't wait to really give these all a good try and come back with a review once I've used them a few times, but that's Kinder box. Yay. All right, so if you've ordered Kinder box, if you have the subscription, if you got this box, let me know in the comments. I want to know your opinion. I think we all got the same stuff. Hi, I needed to pop in here and just mention that this is not the February box. This is the first box that all new subscribers get. Don't mind Ruby, she's outside barking. Which I think is actually really nice. The variety of boxes and seeing other people get things that you really wanted to get is a little disheartening. Yeah, let me know if you got this box and what you think. And if you've had them before and you're like, oh my God, I absolutely love this subscription box. I will get it every month. I'm an annual member or whatever. Let me know. I want to know your opinion about it because this is my first one. So I don't really know. The dog is over there shaking. So if you haven't already yet, if you are interested in colorful makeup, indie brands, small owned companies, women owned, people of color owned. Those are the things I talk about. I do unboxings a lot. And yeah, so if you are interested in those things, I suggest that you hit notification. Well, first you have to hit subscribe. So hit subscribe and notifications. We can keep in touch that way. So anyway, yes, thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in this most recent Kinder box. I will be back for more makeup videos. If you are interested in this look right here, this was the third look that I did for a palette bingo using the Club Nebula palette, and that is in another video that is up on my channel. So check that out if you are interested. And anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.